In this video, I am going to solve these two first order linear differential equations for you. These linear differential equations are really easy. The only challenging thing is the integral formulas. That for integral formulas nowadays you can go online and search what is the integration of so and so, and you can easily get the answer online. And most math book, I say a calculus book around here, most math book, they do have the integral formulas, the integration formulas usually on the cover. On this one it have a bunch of formulas on both covers of this book. So when I was in school, I had a notebook that was anything that I felt is good to know. I used to write it in that notebook. And I took this course in 1979, and at that time we didn't have internet, so we had to be very organized and write everything down. Okay, now let's start with this one. In this equation, this is going to be our px, and this is going to be our qx. So in order to solve this, first we have to find the integrating factor, which mu x is equal to e to the power px dx. So it's going to be e to the power 2 divided by x dx. So it is going to be equal to e to the power 2 natural log of x, or we can write this as e to the power natural log of x squared. So our mu x, our integrating factor, is going to be x squared. So first we have to find the integrating factor. Then the first step is to multiply this integrating factor into our equation. So our integrating factor is x squared. We multiply that by our equation. That's the first step, is x squared dy dx plus 2xy is equal to x squared multiplied by x to power minus 4 is x to power minus 2. Okay. So this is the first step. Then the second step, we rewrite it as d x squared y over dx equal to x to power minus 2. Now, this was the second step. The third step, we take the integration of both sides. So if we take the integration of both sides, on left side we are going to have x squared y equal to minus x to power minus 1 plus c. So in here, then the last step, step 4, is to solve for y. So in order for us to solve for y, we divide both sides of the equation by x to power 2, or we multiply both sides by x to power minus 2. So we are going to have y on left side equal to minus x to power minus 3 plus c x to power minus 2. Or we can write this as y equal to minus 1 over x cubed plus c divided by x squared. Same. So this is the solution for this first example. Okay. Now let's go on this one. Okay. So in this equation now, this is our px and this is our qx. So our integrating factor mu x is equal to e to the power px dx, which is equal to e to the power cosine of x over 1 plus sine x dx. So again, if we look at the integration formulas, this will be equal to e to the power natural log of 1 plus sine x. So our mu x will be equal to 1 plus sine x. So this is our integrating factor. So once we find the integrating factor, the first step we multiply that by our equation. So our integrating factor is 1 over sine. We multiply this by our equation, so we have 1 plus sine x multiplied by dy over dx plus, if we multiply this by that, 1 plus sine x is going to cancel out, so we're going to have cosine of x y equal to, and on the right side, again 1 plus sine x will cancel out, so we are going to have cosine square of x. So that's our first step. The second step is to rewrite it in this form, d of 1 plus sine x y dx equal to cosine square x. So this was our first step. This is our second step. Our third step is to integrate both sides. So we take the integration of both sides. This is our third step. So if we do that, on left side we are going to have 1 plus sine x multiplied by y is equal to the integration of cosine square x. Let's see what is the integration of cosine square x is. Okay, the 64th formula is integration of cosine square x. The integration of cosine square x is x divided by 2 plus 1/4 sine of 2x. So it's going to be x divided by 4 plus 1/4 sine of x, sine of 2x, sorry. 1/4 sine of 2x. 1/4 sine of 2x plus constant plus c. So this is our third step. We took integration of both sides. Now the fourth step, solving for y. So in order for us to solve for y, we have to we got to divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of y, which is 1 plus sine x. So we are going to have y will be equal to x divided by 2 plus 1/4 sine of 2x plus c divided by 1 plus sine x. So this is our answer for that equation. So I believe by now, if you follow my step, you will be able to solve any first order linear differential equation. As I said before, the only challenging thing is the integration formulas, just like here, what is the integral of cosine square x. So, you can search that online and find anything you want nowadays. See you all later.